Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Wahliye. I'm a teacher from English College, Hargeisa. My dear students, welcome to our live video. So today we are going to talk about a different topic. As you can see before, intan bilal lehenay. Maanta maxaa laga hadlaa topic cusub oo laga hadlayo based on love and relationship. Maxaa laga hadlaa love and relationship. So kusoo dhawaada English College Hargeisa. Basically maanta maxaan u baahanahay dadka oo daawanaya videoga inay share and like. Share the video. Make sure you share the video. Share gareeya video sida asxaabtaada ama dadka inay daawadaan video ay wax ka bartaan. So maanta maxaa laga hadlayaa topic cusub laga hadlayaa oo ku saabsan jaceylka. Love and relationship. Love and relationship. Okay, there are some vocabulary aan u baahanahay ardayda inaan baro maanta, and so make sure haddii aad doonaysiin inaad joogtiin, so make sure you share this video. Make sure you share the video, okay, and share gareeya video sida ardayda kale u arkaan, okay, and they can learn from this video. They can learn from the video. So I'm blowna xasadaan iska blowno. Okay, bismillah. So marka the topic aan ka hadlayno muxuu yahay love and relationship. Topic muxuu waay love and relationship, jaceyl. So there are words ereyal qaar jiro oo ku saabsan jaceylku ku saabsan ama guurka ku saabsan. So maxaan u baahanaa ardayda inay dhageystaan. So first word is what love macnihiisu muxuu yahay. Okay, propose. Okay, repeat after me. Propose. All right, propose. Engaged. Fiancé. All right, fiance. Married. Romantic. Maanta marka lixdaas ereyaan u baahanay in ardayda u macneeyo waxay yihiin, maxay u taagan yihiin. Okay, and inshallah sentence leenahay, we will continue with the sentences. So marka waxaan u baahanahay ardayda dhan inay share gareeyaan videoga. Please share the video. Share the video so your friends can watch. All right, so everyone knows love. Of course, we've got an jaceyl wuxuu yahay. All right, let's say love is not about the way you feel about the person, it's what you do with the person. Okay, so love is to sacrifice yourself in a waqti ku dhumis qofkaas. Okay, qofkaas farxadiisa ama farxadeeda in waqti ku dhumisid. So make her happy or make him happy. Okay, you lose time, you put time, waqti aad gelinaysaa, lacag aad gelinaysaa, farxadooda waqti gelinaysaa, so that they can be happy. Marka there are different types of love way kala duwan yihiin. Okay, for example, I love my mother. Maxaan jecelahay hooyaday aan jecelahay. So love, there are different types of love. Qof kasta wuxuu jecel yahay. Okay, jaceylka oo one man to a woman, between man and woman. Jaceylka oo ka dhaxeeyo ninkii naagta, well, that's different. Jaceylka oo ka dhaxeeyo a boy and his mother, wiilkii iyo hooyadiisa, waa jaceyl gooni iyadana. Marka there are different types of love way kala duwan tahay. Okay, the first person aad jeclaatay, qof kasto ha ogaado, the first person aad jeclaatay waa hooyada. Qofka koowaad aad jeclaatay yuu yahay hooyada uu yahay. So your first person aad jeclaatay yuu yahay hooyada. Your mother is the first person aad jeclaatay. Ogaada, qofka koowaad aad jeclaatay yuu yahay your mother. But if we come apart from that, hadaa kasoo fogaano qaybtaas aan kasoo wareegno aan u imaano qaybta kale, love between man and a woman, jaceylka ka dhaxeeya ninkii iyo naagta. So that is the type of love we're talking about. Inaan waqti ku dhumino qofka, inaan siino time, love, inaan siino maxay ahayd farxad. Yeah, so basically there's different type of love way kala duwan yihiin. So love, I love dash. I love yaa jeceshahay. I love waxaad jeceshahay ama qofaad jeceshahay. So we're talking about qofaad inaad jeceshahay. I love my mother. I love Amina. I love my wife. Naagtiyaan jecelahay. If you have a wife, maxaad dhahaysaa I love my wife. So maxaad samaysiin, all of you, sentence-kan soo dhamaystira, comment-kooga soo geliya. All right, so make sure it's in the comments. So it's an interesting topic, right? So everyone needs to know that it's a very interesting topic. I want you guys to post, to write in the comment, who do you love? Maxaan doonayna arko yaa qofka jeceshahay. Magaciisa aad gelinaysaa, magaciisa ama magaceeda. All right, who is she? Yet ku tahay, is she your wife? Is she your mother? Okay, is he your husband or is he your father? Okay, so Someone is saying I love everybody. qof kastaan jecelahay. I love everybody. Someone is saying I love everybody. Okay, someone is saying I love everybody. qof kastaan jecelahay. Okay, that is not true. You cannot love everyone, but hey, I'm not challenging you. qof kastaa jecesha alxamdulillah, qof kastaa jecesha. You're very very open. waa qof furfuranaata. You're very open. qof furfuranata. You're very open. You're happy. You like to say I love everyone. I love everyone. All right. Propose. ereyga labaad muxuu yahay? Propose. Propose marka ninka the man he asks a girl. muxuu weydiisan gabar weydiisana? He asks a girl, can I marry you? Propose macnaheedu waxa waaye markaad weydiisanayso. When you ask a girl to marry you. Propose is when you ask, you offer. What weydiisanaysaa? Can I marry you? Can I marry you? Okay, you have seen this many times. meel kasta ku aragteen, filmaantaad ku aragteen. Okay, I have seen many people watch Farmbroch Indian movies. Okay, ninka muxuu weydiisanaa gabadha? Okay, not the woman. gabadha mu weydiisanaysa ninka? ninka aa weydiisanayo gabadha. So ninka muxuu dhahaa can I marry you? marka qofku dhaho can I marry you macnaheedu waxa waaye that is propose. Propose macnaha when you ask, ma weydiisanaysaa, you are asking a woman or a girl, okay? So that if she says yes, if she says no, it's up to her. Go'aankida leh, it's up to her. Okay, the decision is up to her. But you are asking, can I marry you? You're proposing. Maxaa samaynaysaa? You're proposing. markaad su-aasha weydiisid aad dhahdid can I marry you? That is what? Propose. You're proposing. Okay, you go down, you say I love you. Okay, I want you as my wife, and so can you marry me? Can you marry me? All right, that is propose. Propose macnaheedu waxa waaye markaad weydiisatid. Okay, so let's see, for example, I want to propose to. Okay, yaa weydiisanaysaa. Okay, yaa doonaysaa inaad weydiisatid. Who do you want to propose? yaa doonaysaa inaad weydiisatid gurka. yaa doonaysaa. Okay, who do you want? Tell us a name. So please, maxaa samaysa comment-ka kusoo qora. So fill in the space-ka buxiya idinkoo sentence-ka dhisaayo. Yeah, oo dhehaysin who do you want to marry? qofka doonaysin inuu yahay. Who do you want to marry? Who do you want to ask? No, who do you want to ask? yaa doonaysaa inaad weydiisatid. Okay, I want to propose to any name, any person, okay, any girl. All right, who do you want to propose? Okay, most of the time ninka weydiisado, but sometimes a girl, gabadha hata maxay weydiisan kartaa ninka? She can say I want to marry you. I want to marry you, but not often. ma dhacdo, badanka ma dhacdo. All right, propose means marka qofka aad weydiisanaysid guur u weydiisanaysid. Okay, all right, so gabarta guur weydiisanaysaa. So she's saying I propose, or I want to propose to. yaa weydiisanaysaa ii sheeg. So let's see how many people have answered. I love myself. Okay, I love Nasra. Wow, Muhammad. I love Nasra. Okay, I love my work. Okay, qofna muxuu jecel yahay shaqadiisu jecel yahay. That is very exciting. All right, so he doesn't care about wife, he doesn't care about children, he doesn't care about anything, but he loves his work. shaqadiisu jecel yahay. Okay, don't worry, you will get married to your work. maxaad guursanaysaa? shaqada aad guursanaysaa. You will marry, you will propose to your work. I love Deqa Muhammad. Wow, I love my wife. Okay, I love her. I love her. hadda dhehaysa I love her, idaan jecelahay waa dhihi kartaa. laakiin ha dhihin I love she. Okay, kan waa khalad. I love she waa laga fiican yahay. maxaa dhehaysaa I love her, idaan jecelahay I love her aa dhihi kartaa. laakiin I love she ma dhihi kartid. Okay, iska sax. I love my dad, aabahiyaan jecelahay. Okay, I love our messenger. Okay, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. All right, let's see. I love my mother. Let's go. I love masjid. Masajid kan jecelahay. Very good. My name is Abdulwali. I am from Mogadishu, Somalia. Okay, Mogadishu from Somalia. Abdulwali, how are you doing? I hope you're doing good, Abdulwali. We have, I want to propose to my girlfriend. Exactly. I want to propose to my girlfriend. In our religion, diinteena haddaad u fiirsatid, in our religion, girlfriend and boyfriend are not allowed. Girlfriend and boyfriend are not allowed. So you have to tell us a name. All right? It's better to say, I love my future wife. I love my future wife. I want to propose. I want to propose to my future wife. And with this, my future wife. Okay? My future wife. Okay? My future wife. Future wife. Okay? I love my mom. Well done. I want to propose to Allah. Okay. I want to propose to Allah. That's very funny. Okay. Not propose to Allah. You cannot propose to Allah. You don't want to. Do you want to marry Allah? You want to marry Allah? No, you cannot marry Allah. Propose is when you ask for marriage. Market we disinisit for marriage. Gura we disinosa. Inanta mahawi disinosa gur. Okay. So you're asking a girl for marriage. You cannot propose to Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala cannot get married. He's something else. All right. Okay, he doesn't have kids, he doesn't have wife, he doesn't need any of those things, all right? Propose is when you ask a girl for marriage, gur ad gabru widisusa, a girl, or a man ad maha widisusa, gur, marriage ad widisusa. Okay, hadi aqbasho, mahada say yes, hadi dahada no, she says she refused. Where did they? Okay, you cannot propose. All right, I want to propose to my friend Rayan, okay? I love my husband. I love my wife. My grad, I live in Hargeisa. I am Garad. My name is Garad. I live in Hargeisa. Okay? I love my country, all right? I am Mariam from Somalia, Mogadishu. I love my husband. Very good. I love my future wife. That's right. Okay? Let's see more. Okay, I want to, okay, so that's right. I want to propose to my girlfriend. Yes, you can say any name. You can say, I want to propose to my girlfriend, but girlfriend is up to you if you want to do it. Propose. So propose means, qofkat weydiisanaysid. Okay, qofa weydiisanaysa, su'ala weydiinaysa hadaysa, kuma guursan karaa. Can I marry you? Can I marry you? Okay, I want to marry you. Can I marry you? Can I marry you? Okay, that is a propose. Propose market of with this gur with this. That is propose. Okay, for example, I want to propose to Maryam. I want to propose to Rahma. I want to propose to Fadumo. I want to propose to Honey. I want to propose to Nim'o. Anyone, any girl. Okay, right. Let's continue. Engaged. Okay, now engaged معنى engaged proposal محا ووديسنا زسوما هدي هذا هذا إنت هذا هذا that means she's engaged. Okay, ذاتك engaged خسي خلدن وفهمان engaged ما هم مهر ذاتك محو فهمان engaged مهر وفهمان مهر ما ها engaged is not مهر. Alright, engaged is not مهر. Okay, مهر كا engaged ما هسكو معنى ما. Okay, meherka iyo aroska wuu dambeeyaa. Engaged horeeyo. Engaged horeeyo. Okay, engaged macnaheedu maxaa inantaas waa la soo doontay. That's it. Inanta la soo doontay maxaa la yiraahdaa? Engaged. Waa la soo doontay oo way aqbashay. She's planning to get married. Okay, meherkay diyaar u noqonaysaa. Okay, she's planning to get married. All right, so engaged. Okay, engaged macnaheedu maxaa a girl, she accepts the proposal. She accept engaged means she accepted the proposal. That means wala so don'tay. Okay, she is engaged. Okay, like in meherma. Okay, so meherka yo aroska wu dambeya. It's in the future. It's in the future. So mahada say I am engaged to, yeah, basically wala so don'tay. Nikas I saw don't. I'm engaged to Ahmed. I am engaged to Yusuf. I'm engaged to Khalid. I am engaged to Fadumo. I'm engaged to Saadia. Any name. All right. So let's see. Okay. So yes, my son wants to propose to his future wife. My son NK wants to propose to his future wife. Nice. Okay, let's continue. Okay. All right. So maxaan u baahanahay sentence-kan I'm engaged to yet. Who are you engaged to? Okay. You propose. Qof aad weydiisatay guri weydiisatay. He or she maxay tiri yes. Engage macnaheed maxaa qofka marka laba qof oo balan isku yihiin inay isguursadaan. Okay. Engage maxaa marka labada qof ee balan isku yihiin inay isguursadaan. Balan iska qaaday inay isguursadaan. That is engaged. She accepted way aqbashay proposal-ki way aqbashay. Proposal-ki way aqbashay. Markay aqbashay proposal-ki when she accepted the proposal maxaa ku xigo engaged ku xigo. Maxaa ku xigo engaged. Okay. She's engaged. Okay. Or he is engaged. All right. I'm engaged to Yusuf. Okay. Yusuf maxay ahayd iguursan doono oo gabadhaas mar labaad lama soo doonan karo. Okay. So engaged means when you are already planned. Okay. You're already planned to marry. You're already planned to marry. All right. Next, fiance. Haddaba u fiirsada fiance ya iyo fiancé. Fiance waa ninka. Fiancé waa inanta. Engagement markay engage ka dhaw when you are engaged. Markay dhamaato engagement markay dhamaato engaged. When you are engaged. Inanta maxaa la yiraahdaa fiancé. Ininka maxaa la yiraahdaa fiance. The man is fiance. Okay? The woman is fiancé. All right? All right? So engaged, yeah, when the man and the woman are planned to get married. They are planned to get married. I am engaged to. Okay? Who are you engaged to? Qofka sa iso qoro, comment ha igu soo qoro. Let's see. Okay, I'm engaged to my friend Rayan. Sweet. I'm engaged to Muhammad. I want to propose to. Okay, very nice. Okay, I'm engaged to marriage. Very good. Okay, we have people watching from Germany, from Japan. Okay. Okay, I love my wife. She stay with me. All right. Let's see. He engaged her sister. All right. Okay. I'm engaged to my friend Rayan. So I see a lot of people answering the question. So Mahasamesin, I'm engaged to. Who are you engaged to? Okay. So here an example. Why is an example? Who are you engaged to? Who are you engaged to? All right. Who are you engaged to? Everyone comment. Who are you engaged to? All right. Are you engaged to Ahmed? Are you engaged to Maryam? Are you engaged to Fatima? Okay. So that is engaged. Let's continue. Fiance and fiancé. Fiance waa ninka ay fiance noqona. Engagement markay dhacdo ama markay engagement ka dhamaato, yeah. Okay. Ninka maxaa la yiraahdaa fiance. Inanta maxaa la yiraahdaa fiancé. Okay. Fiance waa ninka, fiancé waa inanta. Okay. So fiance is the man. Okay. Man. Okay. Marka my fiancé is. Okay, my fiancé. Marka qofka my fiancé dhahay waa gabadha dhahayso. The girl is she saying. Maxay dhahays gabadha maxay dhahaysaa my fiancé. Ninka i guursan doono is Ahmed, Yusuf, Khalid. Qofka magaciisa aad qoraysaa. Any man. Okay? My fiancé. Gabadha maxay dhahaysaa my fiance. Gabadha maxay dhahaysaa my fiance is Yusuf. My fiance is Khalid. Marka my fiance ninka ala ka sheeganaya ninka magaciisa la sheegaya marka gabadha maxay dhahaysaa my fiance gabadha maxay dhahaysaa my fiance ninkan guursan doono. Okay, fiance waa ninka aad guursan doontid. Okay, fiance maxaa waay ninkaad guursan doontid. Okay, so ninkaad guursan doonto magaciisa muxuu yahay Ahmed, Yusuf, Khalid. Magacaad qoraysaa any name. Okay, isku day inaad qortiin. Try to put the name. Magaca meesha geliya. Okay, my fiance. Haddaan nin tahay ka soo qaad you're a man. You are a man. Okay, the man muxuu dhihi doonaa ninka muxuu dhihi doonaa my fiancé inantan guursan doono is Maryam, is Rayan. My fiancé is Rayan. okay inantan guursan doono the girl I'm going to get married to the girl okay inantan guursan my fiance okay is Rahma so there are two different sentences fiance wa nika fiance wa inanta marka maxaa dhahaysaa my fiance ninkan guursan doono is Khalid Yusuf Ahmed haddaa nin tahay if you're a man then maxaa dhahaysaa my fiance is Maryam Ruwaida Rayyan Ahmed Rahma okay so saasaa dhahaysin let's look so comment ku kusoo qora let's everyone see the comment all right let's see if everyone all right I want to be engaged to someone maxaa doonayna qof inaan guursado I'm engaged to her nice all right Mombasa someone is watching from Mombasa Kenya okay I'm engaged to Abdi Fattah nice I'm engaged to Abdi Fattah like she's engaged okay I'm engaged to Khadija very nice my fiance is who's your fiance all right my fiance is a beautiful man my fiance is a beautiful man very good very nice my fiance is very handsome good all right wa fi'anta that's correct hadda my fiance is handsome ninkii guursan doon waa very handsome waa nin qurux badan waa very good waa saxsan tahay okay let's go my fiance is Hamdi very good okay my fiance is Safia very nice good let's see my fiance is okay I see many people around my future fiance is nice good I'm engaged to Farhia so fiance is the man nikad gursan doota yirahda fiance okay fiance is the girl wa gabadha all right that is the difference farq u dhaxeeyo that is the difference married how si socono married I want to get married in u fiirsada I want to get married xiligaad gursan doon goome way I want to get married in gooma doonaysan aad gursatid I want to get married in 2 years laba sano dhaxdiisaan doonaynaan ku guursado I want to get married in 5 years 5 sano gudihiisa aan doonaa inaan ku guursado marriage waa guurki marriage macnaha waa guurki this is marriage I'm married okay I want to get married maxaa doonaa inaan guursado in 10 years 10 sano dhaxdiisa inaan ku guursado okay I want to get married in 2020 or next year aan doonaa inaan guursado so married inaan guursado okay I want to get married okay married macnaha inaan guursado marka waxay gartaa I want to get married maxaa doonaa inaan guursado in which year in 2009 sorry in 2020 in 2021 in 2022 when waxay gartaa I want to get married in 2 weeks laba week dhaxdiisan doonaa inaan ku guursado okay marka sentence kan isku dayna dhameystirtiin okay I want to get married maxaan doonaa inaan guursado in 2020 inaan 2020 inaan guursado I want to get married in 2025 so basically when do you want to get married when do you want to get married let's see people are there writing down yes okay my fiance is Amal very nice people are writing from somewhere good all right I want to get married in 2029 oh wow that's a very long time 10 years from now that person wants to get married okay Hibaq wants to get married that time okay I want to get married already that's correct I want to get married already waxaan doonaa inaan iska guursado all right so married is that when do you want to get married so u fiirsada marriage yeah waa guurkii okay so remember love jacel propose you ask someone to marry engage you are planned to get married to that person fiance and fiancé fiance is the man you want to you're planned to get married fiancé what the girl you plan to get married to. Okay? Then married. One guursaday. I want to get married in 2012. Sorry, not 2022. 2022. Romantic. Now this is a very simple word, romantic. Everyone knows this word. Qofka suu garana romantic wuxuu yahay. Okay? Qofka markuu, when he's in love, markuu jecel, he's in love, you know, he wants to go to his wife, yeah, inuu la sheekaysto. To be romantic. To be romantic. Okay? Nice words in wuxuu sheego. Waad qurux badan tahay. You are very beautiful. You look nice. You are kind. Waa naxariis badan tahay. Okay? You look romantic. Romance. Okay? You tell your wife, you tell your husband, you're very handsome. You're very beautiful. You're very kind. Okay? Okay? You're very caring. For example, the people of Dash are romantic. The people of dadka oo joogo Hargeysa miya, France, Britain. The people of India are romantic. Dadka joogo India were romantic. So make sure you put the sentence. Try to fill in the space. The people of Hargeysa. The people of Hargeysa digirta. The people of Mogadishu. The people of Bur'o. The people of Djibouti. Okay? They're romantic. So let's see if you put them in sentence. Let's see. Okay, okay, people say, although I haven't any money, but I want to get married in 2020, inshallah. All right, I want to get married in next year. Good. All right, I want to get married in 1 week. Wow. Someone is saying, I don't want to get married forever. Abdi Shakur is saying, I don't want to get married forever. Wow, that's very, very surprising. Don't worry. If you don't want, you don't want. All right, let's see. All right, I want to marry next month. Next month, okay? I got married before 2 years. I got married before 2 years. All right, the people of Galkayo are romantic. The people of Galkayo are romantic. Are you sure? Muhubta. Are you very, very sure? Muhubta, because they're very romantic. Let's see. Okay, I want to get married in next year. The people of, okay, are romantic. The people of Somali are romantic. Okay, the people of Ghana are all romantic. Okay, Ghana, Uganda, people are talking from everywhere around the world. The people of India are romantic. The people of Mogadishu are romantic. Okay. So how can you explain? How can you explain romantic? How can you explain what people? How can you? What is the evidence? Aden how he's seen. The people of Mogadishu are romantic. How? Say how are they romantic? Can you tell us how are they romantic? All right. Let's see. I want to get married tomorrow. All right, that's good. All right. The people of Bur'o are romantic because they are awesome. Okay, that's nice. So everyone is writing. So show me everyone who's online right now. Please share the video so that your friends and family can see these videos. All right. So the words you have learned. Love or ja'ale. Love means ja'al. Propose. That means asking someone to get married. Asking what we disinosa. Qof kasad we disinaysa inad gursid. Hadad gursi kartid. You're asking a lady. For example, you go to a lady. Rahma, can you marry me? I love you. I like you. You're beautiful. You're kind. Okay. You're very, very caring. Okay. You listen to me. You take care of me. I want you as my wife. I want you as my wife. Can you please marry me? You are proposing. You are proposing. Proposing means asking someone for marriage. Then next one, engaged. Hadid, if she says yes, hadid dahdo yes, okay? Ha, I want to marry you. Rahma says, yes, I want to marry you. What do you say? Then you're engaged. You are engaged. Engaged, that is engaged. Engaged means you are planned. Okay? You are planned inaad mustaqbalka guursanaysin. Ama week, ama 2 weeks, ama 2 months ha noqoto inaad guursanaysin. Dadka maxay sameeyaan way isku khaldaan engage iyo meher. Meher maha engage. Meher ma aha engage. Okay? Engage iyo meher, it's not the same thing. Okay? Meher maha engage. Meher wuu ka dambeeyaa, engage wuu ka dambeeyaa. Okay? Engage ka soo horeeyo, then meherku wuu dambeeyaa. Okay? So engage maxaa waaye way balan iska qaaday inay isguursan doonaan. Okay? Qof kale mu weydiisan karo inta qof kale mu weydiisan karo. Okay? Then fiance. Fiance and fiancé. Fiance and fiancé. Fiance waa ninka oo guursanayo. Fiancé waa inanta. Okay? Kasoo qaad my fiancé is ninka aan guursan doono magaciisu yahay. Ma Ahmed, ma Rahma, ma Fadumo. Okay? Married. Married maxaa waaye the girl and doing the married. You're getting married. I want to get married in 2 years. maxaa doonayaan 2 sano dhexdiisa ku guursado. In 2 years. Okay? In 2 years I'm doing inaan ku guursado. All right? The last one is romantic. Romance. Everyone knows the meaning of ereyga magaciisa. Romance maxaa jecel oo doonaysid inaad qofka tustid. Okay? You want to show romance. Oh, my beautiful wife, you're beautiful, you're kind, you're generous, you're so romantic. All right? I love you. I care about you. Okay? I want to give you my heart. Okay? What are you doing? You're being romantic. You're being romantic. Okay? You're so beautiful. You look like a diamond. I want to take you to my home. Okay? Give you food. Provide for you. Okay? So you tell people, your eyes look beautiful. Your eyes look so beautiful. They're very kind. Okay? You speak so nicely. Your voice is so gentle. I love the way you speak to me. All right? That is romance. That is romance. You can also bring flowers. Marisa, this is for you. You're so beautiful. You care about me. I love to provide for you. Okay? Marisa, you're being romantic. You're being romantic. All right? So my dear students, that is the end of the lesson. I see people are talking. The people of Berbera are romantic because, okay, they're telling me many reasons. All right, romantic comedy about 2 years ago. Some had a romantic teacher. She wants married right now, next week. Someone are getting married next week. Someone wants to say get married. Okay. The people in Berbera are romantic. The people in Berbera are romantic. Are you sure? Are you very sure? So the most important thing I want you to understand is these words. Okay? All right. Remember the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was very romantic to his wife, Aisha radiallahu anha. They were very romantic. Okay? They used to have romance. They used to take care of each other. So romance is a good thing. Okay? You're most welcome, my dear students. That is the end of the lesson, my dear students. That is the end. So remember to use these words in sentences is very important. Remember what you have learned, put them in sentences, learn the pronunciation, and it's very good to know. Thank you very much. That is the end of our lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.